So,
Uh,
Mr. Sumitra sir, how did you like the session of this like 4 days masterclass? How was your overall experience?
yeah, first of all, from bottom of my heart, I like to convey my heartfelt gratitude to you, and I am so thankful and so blessed that I am in connect with you. I always find you helpful whenever I face any trouble, irrespective of the time. I know you are busy, but still, whatever way you have supported us, this is amazing. And whatever we have learned, that is mind blowing. No, nothing to tell. But apart from that, the way you taught us, the the patience you have demonstrated, because we are very much novice in this particular field. This is first time in my life I am seeing Canva, and I am using it. So from there, I am making my design because of your confidence. I know my Gurudev is there backend, so I always know that if I face any problem, Sudeep sir is there, then he can help me. So that confidence itself has given me one step further. So I'm really grateful to you. Anytime, whenever I face problem, and whenever I send you message, I get a reply that if you are ready, I can connect. So it is amazing. I never expected that. Uh, I got over delivered. I got over delivered. Thank you so much, sir. I learned so many things, but best part is that I learned very good attitude from.
Thank you so much to